In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether your Smartsheet plan price has changed and what to do next. If you want to avoid billing surprises, this is a simple process that can help you confirm your current subscription cost and understand whether any increase is coming soon. The goal here is to gather the right information first so you can make a clear decision about your plan. Start by opening your Smartsheet billing settings. This is where you'll find the details tied to your subscription, including the plan you're currently on and the amount you're being charged. Take a moment to review the information carefully so you have a solid starting point before comparing anything else. Next, look at your current plan price inside those billing settings. Make sure you're noting the exact amount shown for your subscription. This is important because it gives you the number you'll use to check whether your pricing still matches what Smartsheet is currently offering or whether it reflects an older rate. After that, go to the latest Smartsheet pricing page and compare the public pricing with what you're currently paying. Keep in mind that pricing pages usually show the newest rates available. So if your billing amount is different, that may simply mean your account is on a legacy price or that a change is planned but not active yet. Compare the plan type as well, not just the price, so you're matching the correct subscription. Then check your email for any price change notice from Smartsheet. Companies typically send billing-related updates in advance, so search your inbox for recent messages related to subscription changes, renewals, or pricing updates. As you review those emails, focus on whether they mention a specific increase, a reason for the change, or any action you may need to take. Once you find that notice, review when the new price will take effect. This date matters because it tells you how much time you have to decide what to do before the updated rate applies. Pay attention to whether the change starts immediately at renewal or on a future billing cycle. From there, decide whether you want to keep your current plan, downgrade to a lower cost option, or cancel the plan entirely. This decision should depend on your usage, budget, and whether the current features still justify the price. If anything about the price change is unclear, contact Smartsheet support directly. They can confirm the reason for the change, explain your billing timeline, and help you understand your available options.